Is your Discord screen share silent treatment getting you down? Let's kick that audio silence to the curb in under 90 seconds. First up, head into Discord's settings by clicking the gear icon next to your username. Then, select voice and video from the left sidebar. Make sure your correct microphone is selected in the input device dropdown. If you have multiple mics, test each one to confirm Discord is picking up the right source. Next, confirm your preferred speaker or headset is selected in the output device dropdown. A mismatch here can definitely kill your screen share audio. Still nothing, scroll to the very bottom and hit the Reset Voice Settings button. This often fixes underlying conflicts. You might have to reselect your devices afterwards. When you're screen sharing, look for a gear icon on the bottom of the shared window. Click it. This will open source settings to change to what program to use. When the source setting is available, make sure you select an application from the drop-down instead of your screen. You might want to restart Discord for source setting to work. If it's still not working, dive into your Windows sound settings. Right-click the speaker icon in your system tray and choose Open Sound Settings. Scroll down and select Sound Control Panel. In the Playback tab, ensure your desired output device is set as the default device. Right-click on the correct device and choose Set as Default Device. Now, jump to the Recording tab and do the same. Set your desired microphone as the default device. Restart Discord before testing again. And that's it. Hopefully, your Discord screen share audio is now booming. If not, double-check your drivers are up to date, and leave a comment, and we'll try to help you troubleshoot.